Our last stop through northern Arizona would take us to a town known for its scenic backdrops and its new age vibe. Teleport to Sedona, coming up next. The last stop on our road trip would take us down into Oak Creek Canyon, where we would find an RV spot underneath the canopy right on Oak Creek.
Over meadows, inside sprung grass, lungs breathing in the darkness.
Ooh, what'd you get, 2?
We would spend most of our time relaxing and cooling off in the refreshing Oak Creek, where we would explore the mild rapids and learn how to skip some rocks. You can zen out in numerous ways in Sedona, whether it be hiking, exploring nature, or diving into the eccentric art community in the town.
It's a good looking butterfly right there.
As I mentioned before, Sedona has a new age vibe to it, where there's usages of crystals, UFO sightings, and other unique thoughts of mine. Sedona is also known for its many culinary arts. We would stop in at Oak Creek Brewery.
And it gave you what? Thin, thick, or regular?
You'd have to fix it.
This kid's crazy.
What are you doing, man? That sunburned your face pretty. Another place we'd find is a little dessert shop that's been shown on the Food Network and TLC.
Velvet cheesecake.
All right, what do you think, Cam? Really good?
I'm ready to try. There's actually real graham crackers and real chocolate and real marshmallow.
Marshmallow? As I mentioned before, Sedona is a very eccentric place, so we popped in and got our energies read. You want to go on the UFO tour tonight?
Yeah.
Why?
I want to learn about Bigfoot and see pictures about Bigfoot. I want to see what aliens actually look like. Not like the cartoon ones, like,
I mean, they're not.
they
It might not even be a Bigfoot.
There's definitely a Bigfoot. There's Bigfoots in the woods.
You saw one today, right?
It's on top of that.
That mountain?
Yeah, on that. And no one
Wow.
it already left. That means like it probably teleported. And nobody saw it.
It what? What did it do?
It probably teleported to inner dimension.
Different dimension.
Inner dimension.
Oh, inner dimension. I'm in trouble with that.
Okay.
Meh.
Sedona is definitely a surreal place with a lot of interesting things to do and see, both naturally and man-made. Thanks for checking out Sedona with us.